How to do Block Blast glitch and get high score in Block Blast. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, open Block Blast app on your device. Now tap gear icon at top right and tap replay until you get the option or the vertical line. You can simply hit the cog wheel and tap on replay until and unless you don't find the vertical block. This is the key to the glitch. Once you get the vertical block, you can easily place it on the bottom right corner of the screen or simply at bottom of the screen. And as you can see that we have scored 10 points. So in this way you can easily start playing and you will start getting the vertical blocks on your block blast. Now you have to start placing the blocks given on the screen and then score or get high scores on Block Blast. So in this way you can easily place the vertical block, set up for the next vertical block and repeat the process. You can keep the pattern going for maximum points. And there you go. That's how you do the Block Blast glitch to get a high score. Just keep following this method and you'll be unstoppable. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. See you next time.